Welcome to you all passionate, enthusiastic, energetic prodigies. I'm Prasad Kadam and back with my video. Today I'm going to tell you a story about the two friends. Right. I was junior to them. One day I asked them what you're going to do after this college. They said, both of them said, we want to be successful. We will be successful in their life. Fast forward, when we're having a reunion whereby I try to meet both the friends, but I see that only one of them has arrived for the party and one of them is not arrived. When I tried to find out what has happened, why he has not arrived, I came to know that he is in a very difficult situation and he is not in a position to come to the location. Then I asked, what about the other friend? I saw that he had just came in a beautiful car. It was a very nice car. He is very well dressed and he walks towards me and I can see the total confidence in him, the way he's walking. Right. So I had a word with him. I asked him, what is the difference? What is the thing you have done differently from your friend that you have been reached to such a heights? And what is the success mantra you are following? He said, I have went through one of the course and I went to have my mentor. And through my mentor, I learned many things, which are the properties of a successful people. So he said that first and foremost property is that we have to build our self-image. Right? It's a very powerful concept. Whatever your self-image, you will become whatever your self-image. If you think yourself as a coward, you will be coward. If you think yourself as a strong and tough man, you will be strong and a tough man. That is all about the self-image, what you have about yourself. Second thing is told us that he has made the idea, he has told his mind that he has to develop only a positive ideas, no negative thoughts. He has built a shell around him which is not allowing any of the negative thoughts to come to his mind. He has set a goals from himself. He has set a vision. He has set a mission. He has got a goals. He has got a tasks. Everything has been decided for him. And then he moved towards his goals, moves towards his tasks, moves towards his vision with a very massive actions. But there are some of the properties, some of the characteristics which you have to develop when you have to be a successful person in your life. Right? Success is all about coming out of your comfort zone. It is not like you'll go to the shop and you will get the success. It is only for the richest who are born rich. We are from the middle class wherein we have to create your own path, create your own lane and reach toward the success. Some of the qualities he told me that you have to be fearless. If you have any fear, you have to move towards it. You have to try to fight with the fear. You have to have an eye to eye with that fear. Then and then only you will come out of it. Second thing is told me that you have to be focused. He told me the example of that Lord Arjuna, how he has focused on the eye of the fish or on the eye of the parrot. That is the way we should have a focus. Focus only on one goal at a time. It may be small. These small goals make a bigger goal. Right? Success is a marathon of a small steps. You have to achieve one step every day. Don't stop. Don't move backward. Take rest and bounce forward again. And if you're feeling that you're not getting successful, remember what our David Goggins, the author of the book Can't Hurt Me, has told us that whenever you are feeling tired, that means your brain is creating a false signal. It means you have a still 60% of your strength into your body and you can move ahead. The brain gives a signal at 40%. When you're tired, just 40%, the brain will give you a signal to stop. But we have to callous our mind. We have to tell it this is not the time. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to stop it whenever I'm going to when I'm going to attain my full potential. That is up to the 100%. You have to give us 100%, nothing less than that. So how we can do this? One of the ways you can do this, you have to master your mind. You have to tell your mind that you are a champion. You are going to do it. You are the one who is able to achieve it and you are the person who is really going to get hard on it to get it. This is the mind like culture. This is the mind waves you have to create in yourself. Then and then only you will be able to face such kind of situations. Right? During your journey, people may try to critique you. They will say, oh, what is you are going on? You're going crazy around. You are a crazy person. You are not going to make it. Don't listen to them. Listen to yourself only. You have a goal. You have a purpose. And you are taking a massive action. That means what is the thing which is going to stop it? Nothing is going to stop you. You have to move forward. You have to be unstoppable. I'm again repeating it. You have to be unstoppable. Move ahead in your life. Don't stop. Come on, keep on taking the massive actions. You will definitely move forward in your life. Please remember, my friends, life is a canvas which you are going to paint it. So when you're painting it, you have to paint your own dreams. Don't try to paint the dream of the others. Don't try to work upon the success of the dreams of the other people. Try to create your own trend. Don't follow the trend. Yes, you can copy them, you can understand the process, but you have to create yourself. You have to mold yourself, that you have to be creating, not just consuming. So once you start creating, then the money will flow to you, the success will flow to you. But when you're doing this, I'm again mentioning that you have to be unstoppable. You have to be yourself. Don't try to copy someone else, because God has made you a unique person. There is a different plan, there's a different design for you. If you try to imitate someone else, you are going to fail. This is one of the failure mantra I can say. If you're trying to copy someone else, you are going to fail. Yes, no doubt about it that you have to have some ideal in your life, but they will have their own process, they will have their own charm, they will have their own thought process and perceptions, right? You can follow the end objective, what you want to achieve, but don't follow them blindly. Create yourself, do something different, create your own idea, and then produce before the world. This is what I want to do, and this is what I've done it. This is called ultimate success. Remember that there is a secret behind the word successful. If you listen to it, if you read it carefully, it says that suck means that it is going to suck each and every drop of your blood from your body. It's going to take out the entire energy of your body. Then second word is cess. Cess means that you have to pay the toll for it. It is not free. And nothing is free in this world. Similar way, if you want to get a successful and a content life, you have to pay the cess. And the last word, the third part is that it says the full. When I'm saying is full, that means whatever you have, whatever the energy, whatever the enthusiasm, whatever the potential, whatever the level of consistency, persistence you have to give it fully to your goal, to your vision, and to your mission. Then and then only you will be successful. Guys, so please be ready, get ready. What is your goal? What is your vision? What's your mission? Write on a piece of paper, and you can also comment to me in the comment box. If you like this video, you can like it and you can share it with your friends. If you want a personal help, you can get back to me, and you can also mention in the comments. Yes, that is all about the success mantra for today, and good night, good day to you all everywhere, wherever you are. Good day, good night, and good evening, whatever it may be. Bye.